Hi guys, it's Small Plasma Gaming here, and today we're going to be doing the watermelon explosion challenge.
Okay.
Yeah, with the rubber bands and all that.
Lost my finger
Right,
before.
here we go, guys.
This was
Almost
like
halfway
small
through.
and it's kind of swelling up and
It actually smells
That's
of cheese.
alright, old
Hey, it's all
Maureen.
slimy at the bottom. So we're going to keep
Like
going.
your mum.
Right, and so
That's alright, old
hey guys, it's still the midges are attacking, by the way. It's still not pure budging or something like that. And what are you doing, you lads? There's pure mucus in the back. Ah fuck! No, that's it. That's it. You got the mucus on your legs.
Right, this isn't working. Look how much rubber bands we've got left. I'm a fuck sitting here for about 10 hours waiting for this fucking watermelon to explode. The midges are attacking, so I'm just gonna fucking be able to try to destroy it with my face. Okay? Ah!
Throw it loose.
Excuse me?
Headbutt it, just headbutt it.
No, I'm okay. Sorry, I've got a big brain damage.
Oh shit, bro.
Oh, thanks.
Wait, get up there. It's stolen. I'm eating this. I'm actually well, right? Here, take a video.
Fucking look at
Here,
it.
hold this.
Look at my arse.
I'll bite it, right?
Look at the rubber bands.
Get your vitamins here.
Vitamins D.
That is so nice, by the way, I'm not even joking. Nom nom.
Hold this.
It's so nice, I'm not even joking. Bite it. Bite it. Eat that bit. I'll eat it if you don't eat it.
Right, okay, have it then. I'll throw another bit up.
Right, Anthony, say your goodbyes.
Bye.
Lewis, say the outro.
Bye.
Say the outro.
Like
Like
and
it.
subscribe.
And I'll see you guys in the next video. Miss me.